Hey guys, once again welcome back to my official YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to tell you 10 classic clothing combinations to get the perfect image. But before I start, I want to tell you one thing. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and don't forget to share it with others. So without wasting much time, let's come back to the main topic. We want to look beautiful, bright and stylish at all times of the year. But sometimes it is not easy to find perfect clothing color combinations, and we all know our appearance is the key to success. For these cases, Bright Side has prepared mini prompts that will help you find a suitable image and show you how to choose colors in clothing. First, red. If you wear red clothes, get ready to be at the center of attention. This color is for self-confident people. A combination of black and red is a true classic. Choose clothes that show off the colors in large color block. For example, match a black and white dress with black tights and a red coat. Second, pastel. Don't be afraid to combine pastel shades. It's their time this year. The upcoming spring promised to be tender and sentimental. These colors are really going to be in trend. Third, white. White combines well with all other colors. It looks particularly striking with blue, red and black. For a casual outfit, the beautiful combination of white with gravel or brown is going to be rock. These reserved colors will look great in business style. Fourth, denim. For a long time, the combination of different denim shades was frowned upon, but now it is very popular. Feel free to combine denim things, but always keep in mind a golden rule. The shades should not be the same. For example, wear a light shirt and dark blue jeans. Means you have to keep a balance between light and dark. Fifth, marine style. The colors of marine themes are blue, white, black and red. I advise you to add gold accessories to create a sophisticated image. The dark blue strip is still considered one of the most stylish prints. Sixth, mustard. Mustard combines perfectly with brown, chocolate, wooden, beige and yellow also. To create a classic look, you can mix it with basic colors like white and black. Seventh, marsala. This incredibly beautiful color is now on trend. It is easy to mix these wine shade with many other colors. It combines perfectly with a classic trio black, white and grey. Marsala can also be matched with beige, milk and coffee colors. 8th, pink. Wear pink to create a delicate and feminine look. It combines well with white, beige, light blue, brown and blue also. Pink makes the most beautiful combination with white. You can go to work or a business meeting in this outfit. 9th, grey. Grey doesn't mean a boring color. It is an ideal office style base, but we don't recommend wearing it from head to toe. It is better to combine it with green. Grey color mixes well with any shade of green from mint to olive. 10th and last, blue. Blue is one of the most beautiful colors in the color palette. It combines well with white and beige also. You can also mix it with brown, red and yellow. These were top 10 colors. Try these colors and give yourself a glamorous look. Thank you.